What is up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Sam. If you don't know, I am a full-time eBay and Amazon reseller, amongst other things. So today we're doing an opening, a Pokemon card opening. I've done a few of these, I've done one of them on the channel before, with a few more to come. I'm doing this from an investing point of view and also like a collecting point of view. I do like the cards as well. But yeah, so we went to game and we spent $3.99 for one pack on its own, and then this was $13.50 for 3 packs, a Flareon thing, and a pin. So let's get them open. I think first we might as well do the separate pack on its own, right? Yeah, so we can get some good cards. That would be really nice. I want to try and keep these packs like as pristine as I can because I do like them being in good condition. Yeah, I do like keeping them as in good nick as I can. I need to make sure I keep them in focus of the camera because I quite often don't. And then obviously you guys can't see. There we go. So that's open. Right. Okay. So yeah, obviously just run along the rim, you know, make sure that bit's open there, and that bit's open there. And then I just do this a little bit. Right, oh. we didn't even rip it properly, look, it's still like there, I just peeled like the front art off. Wow, well that is great. There you go, and then just peel that a little bit. There you go, keeps the card in, keeps the pack in good nick, and gets us the cards. Right, okay, so what do we get in this pack? So I'm not going to do a card trick because I don't know how many it is. In fact, I'm going to do it off camera, try and remember how it is. I think it's 3. So code card, obviously, it's not that. So 1, 2, 3. I might give away the code cards. I still haven't had a thought about it, so I'm not sure. I'm keeping it off camera in case it's not. Okay, that's the wrong pack trick, I think. I don't know. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. So energy card, grass energy. Cool. I'll do it like this so I can do this like YouTubers do, right? So grass energy, soul rock, Steenie, OPC, Vanillite, Trapinch. That's a cool art. That's a well cool art. It's like cotton. That's cool. Teddy Ursa. That's cool. A cartoony thing. Pansear. That's pretty cool. Morlul. Don't know. Morlul. Don't know this Pokemon. This is our reverse rare, which doesn't even look very shiny. A Dino. Yeah, it's not even shiny. That's weird. And last card. Oh my god, it's a rare. We've got something rare. It's black. Can you see the bottom there? What is it? What is it? It's a V card, that's for sure. Eternatus V. Nice. We got a V card. That's cool. Awesome. Okay, a pretty cool pull. So yeah, definitely happy with that. Nice. I haven't even got any sleeves. It's a bit stupid. There we go. Nice. I don't know if that's worth anything, but we can definitely have a look later. But cool, we got a V card out of one pack. So result, win-win. Okay. Next, let's open this whole blister pack thing. I don't know if this is called a blister pack. Not really sure. I don't know what it's called. But anyway, let's open it up. So inside, you obviously get the Flareon promo. And then you get a Manaphy pin, which is really weird. You think you'd get a Flareon pin, but okay. Right, so let's open it up. I guess I should do it on the camera, right? I literally guess you just peel this off the back, right? There you go. We got it. And then I guess you just, like, somehow rip this bit, rip the back of it. I don't know how to do that, but I guess that's what we do. Oh, we do. Stick your finger through it, guys. Go through. Cool. Just butcher the back of it, rip it all apart. Sorry, I just nudged the camera. This if I'm gonna do packs more often, I need to find out a way to do it better because yeah. So let me get all the packs out. So we got that darkness. I don't know who that Pokemon is, but a Darkness Blaze pack, another Darkness Blaze pack with Charizard in it. Ooh. And I think that's Grimmsnarl, isn't it? And then we've got the whatever you call it, the promo, which is what we want. So the code card as well. Again, I might give these away. I'm not sure yet. And the promo. So I don't know whether I'm going to PSA this. Depends. But in terms of condition, there is a white mark there. No, it's fluff. It's fluff. Don't worry, it's not a white mark. Yeah, it looks in pretty decent nick. A little bit of a mark on that corner. There's some whitening on this. Oh no, fluff again. There is definitely white on that corner. It's a shame there's a big lump of white there. But this is the Flareon promo. It is really cool. Look at it. It says SWSH041. Yeah, really nice. That art and the hollow foil on that is so nice. See that on the camera? Just looks really, really nice. So that's a cool little promo. Happy with that. That's cool. I do like that. Sword and Shield promo. Nice. Right, let's get to the packs. Let's do the Grimmsnarl one first. Let's save the Charizard one till last. So yeah, let's get them going. Let's move these out of the way for the moment, actually. Okay. So take it from this way up. There you go. Basically, this one just came apart on its own. Fair dues pack. Just come apart on your own. Makes it easier for me, I guess. Oh, I couldn't keep this one in Great Nick. That's fine. There we go. Cool. Here we go. So, what was it? 4, was it? Code card and 4? I believe so, right? It is 4. I'll do this on camera next time. I just want to make sure I don't get the pack trick wrong. Okay, so we got a Psychic Energy. Cool. Combuskin, that is a cool... Oh, I like that one. Glimwood Tangle. Flareon, or Flareon? I think, is it Flareon? I can't remember. Anyway, Golett. Feebas. That's cool. Purloin. We all hate Purloin. There's something there. You can see the edge of it. Purloin. Hippopotas, sorry. Also, I did like the Hippopotas and Hippowdon when it evolves into it. That was always a cool Pokemon in the game. Sentret. And there's our reverse rare old PC, which my recording ended for some weird reason. Anyway, old PC, so that's cool. And then we have got another V card. That is some mad odds there. Slowbro, Galarian Slowbro V, cool. So not the best V card you can get, but can't complain. It's a V card, so that's cool. There we go. Nice, not too bad, not too bad. Let's open another pack. Don't know what he's worth. I think he's worth like £3. I'm pretty sure. Another one with whoever the hell this is on the front of it. I have no clue. I have to do this in 3 minutes now because apparently my phone's running out of space, which is weird. I think I need to probably delete some apps, right? Deleting some apps is definitely a thing I need to do. I have loads of apps, loads of games that I never play, so just delete them all, right? Definitely just delete them all. I need to do this on camera. Forget. I forget, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. So, pack trick, let's take away this code card. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, we've got Fire Energy. Woo. Fire. Is this a sign? Cave of Toughness. Interesting. Powerful Energy. What the hell is this? That's weird. Is that like colourless energy? Solrock. Cool. Skitty. That's cool art. I like that one. Rowlet. That's cool. I don't even know who that Pokemon is, but that's cool art. Wishy Washy, don't know who that is, but it's cool. It looks like Barboach from Diamond and Pearl. Q-Font, that's cool. Sinistea, that's pretty cool. I do like a cup of tea. And our reverse is Galarian Darmanitan. That is a cool reverse. They don't look very like shiny, these reverses, and we just got a normal regular. They don't look very reverse. Oh, it is slightly shiny. It is slightly shiny. And our regular rare is a Staraptor. Now, obviously not a hollow one, but cool. Staraptor was a cool card. Back in the day, loved a Staraptor. Cool, there we go. We can't get Galarian or V cards from all of them, right? So we're hoping for some mad pull from this last pack, a Charizard pack. Here we go. It is the Charizard pack. Is that a sign? I think Charizard is like £100 from this pack. So, yeah, we would obviously love to get that Charizard. Oops, it just teared. Okay, well, I'm just going to tear it that way now. Okay, so first card is a Larvesta. Well, it won't be the first card once we're on the pack trick. Get the Charizard out of the way. Code card out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Fighting Energy. Parasect. Pretty cool. Spikemuth. Nice. Cave of Toughness. Larvesta. Morlul again. Don't know who that is. Toxel. Cool. Toxel's a really good like Pokemon in the actual game as well. Skitty. Rowlet. And a reverse rare is a Simisear. Cool. And it is a regular rare. And Greedent. Okay, cool. So Greedent. Greedent, really? That's like the card you don't want from this set. So I guess the good cards from this thing were obviously we've got our reverse rares with those ones. Obviously got regular rares. Let's sort these all out, right? Regular rare. Those are all our commons and stuff. Galarian Slowbro, old PC, And we did get like, oh yeah, our promo, obviously. That and Dino. Cool. So obviously a load of commons, a load of bulk that we don't care about. No one cares about the bulk. So Flareon, all our reverses. We've got obviously the Dino, Old PC, Flareon Demerton, and Simisir. They're not in the camera, are they? Nice. And I don't know why I've got a max record time. It's really weird. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, do make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do have a few more packs on order, so we'll be doing some more openings probably tomorrow if they get delivered. I'm not sure. But thank you very much for watching. Again, I hope you've enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I go live next time, and let me know if you're interested in the codes. Other than that, thank you very much. Peace out. See you later, guys. Bye bye.